How to use Arch Card on McDonald's app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Arch Card on McDonald's. Now the thing is, you are not able to use McDonald's Arch Card as payment method in the McDonald's app. However, you can use Arch Cards at participating McDonald's restaurant, at the drive-thru, at the register, and at the kiosks. You are able to use the Arch Cards, but in the app itself you're not able to do so. That is because Arch Card cannot be used for online orders. Now you can buy Arch Cards at participating McDonald's restaurant or online. Physical cards must be swiped for redemption and e-cards must be scanned. Remember that Arch Cards cannot be redeemed for cash. You can verify acceptance at a particular restaurant by asking the restaurant employee before placing your order or calling ahead. If you are between the age of 13 and 18, you may only use your Arch Card under the supervision of a parent or legal guardian. So you cannot register an Arch Card for payment of mobile order at this time. However, you can use it in McDonald's restaurants. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.